Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cat Mario. I really don't want to play this right now. Bruh, this is gonna be a big pain, yes. Is that flower power? That also kills me? I knew that would fucking happen. Dun 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 dun. You're a block cock. You're a blocker cock. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Oh! I think... Yeah, I'm not sure which one's worse. I'm starting to think that Cat Mario's the worst. It looks like he has tits when he's jumping. See, look at that. His tiny little tits. You can barely see it. How the fuck am I supposed to get up there? Fuck's sake. What do I do? If I'm supposed to jump all the way over there, and it's impossible. Jesus Christ. Shit. Fuck. 19 deaths. And I haven't passed the beginning. Fuck this game. This is really pissing me off. And I fucking hate you. So in the entire game, the clouds are they're just evil. All of them. And these testicles? I didn't even fucking touch it. What do I do? I did not cheat. I did not go to YouTube and find a walkthrough. This block that I'm under, it's supposed to go like right where I stopped jumping, and there's a secret thing right here. But I just passed it. I don't know if it works though. So I have no idea how to pass this level now, because it's literally impossible. Oh, okay. I did not cheat again and looked at another walkthrough. I can do this. Haha! Oh shit. Fuck. And I still fucking failed. Ah, it's funny, huh? Huh? You think this is fucking funny? No? Then too fucking bad. Get that. Fuck you. Trying to act like little badasses? Well, you're not. You're ugly. F this game, and I hate everything about it. I hope it burns in hell. Whoa. What the f— Get out the way! It just bounced me off. Come on. Nope, bad idea. Nope. F this game. F this game. Why you gotta be so rude? What have I fucking done to you? Checkpoint, don't do anything. Oh, I forgot you can go in pipes. Wow, so... Did it really put me all the way back here? What the f— I forgot. That's a trampoline that sends you fucking down the hell. Get the goddamn question mark. What do you always forget? Stupid or something? Is it gonna trick me? Yeah, I know it. Ha! What the hell is this? What the? That's cool. Oh, he kills himself. Oh well. Oh, alrighty. Okay then. So it was gonna shoot me to heaven, but instead it killed me straight to hell. It's super rare! See, I went down to hell. Oh! Did you see that the sky just cummed all over me? That was beautiful. And it's still fucking. What the f? Did you see that? The turtle went Chris Angel shit right there. I don't go down the hill. Oh my god, you are also a fat ass like Mario. No wonder you have titties. Those are man boobs, not titties. It went behind the fucking hill. I just noticed. His nose looks like balls. Also his. What the f? Did you see that? I was floating. Wow! You're fucking dead. Now how am I supposed to pass this? Freak yeah. How am I supposed to kill him? Can I just go in? No! No! Oh my god, he throws so hard. Oh, I think I know what I'm supposed to do. Okay. That didn't go exactly as planned. I'm here to rescue you. You make me, they call me Superman. Retail I'm single now. I'm single now. Got no ring, I'm swinging now. And I'm gonna chick bring me down a relationship. Saving bitch. Baby sick, you make me sick. Superman ain't saving shit. Girl, you can jump on Shady's straight for the hip, cut to the chase. I tell him off to her face. Jesus Christ, this is hard. Kill him, kill him. I'm so close. What? Come on, do it. Haha. I did it. I finally did it. Well, if my friend was here, he could understand this shit. I see you guys on the next episode. Ha, boy. Sagoy, boy.